Okay, planning this next trip, what's our budget per night?
I don't know, like $250 a night?
I can make that work. Sweet, I found an entire cottage. They're running a promo. It was $221 a night. They've reduced it to $192. Dang it! Our budget's blown. Now with the cleaning fee and the service fee, it's $322 a night. So I'm back to the drawing board. This cottage was so cute though. I really wanted to stay there.
Oh, you can toggle a little button on the Airbnb page that shows simplified pricing.
Ooh, boom! This one didn't even pop up last time. $244 before taxes.
Book it. And then remind me after today that I need to go home and make sure that all of our properties have simplified pricing ready to go.
Guests spoke and Airbnb listened. There was a lot of chatter about all of the fees when you go to book your stay on Airbnb.
To be fair, at first Annette and I were really upset about it. We're like, what the heck? Like, how many times do you go to a hotel or book a flight and you don't find out what the final price is until you're already invested in that option? But once we actually thought about it, we think this is really good for viewers like you, our independent hosts,
For sure.
who have more hands-on approach to running their short-term rentals, to running their Airbnbs. This is our chance to really shine, really know our numbers, and get competitive on showing up higher in the algorithm, because Airbnb said properties that are better quality and more competitively priced will show up higher on their algorithm.
This all-in pricing before taxes includes the Airbnb fee, and this feature is being prioritized within the user search tools. Just keep in mind, this is okay for you. Your total that the guest is going to pay is going to remain unchanged. You just have to make sure you stay competitive. One of the things you can do is, let's say it's a shorter stay, and you might be able to reduce your cleaning fee because there's less of a heavy footprint. You can do that. A longer stay, you might want to increase your cleaning fee. There's just some things you're really going to have to stay on top of it and make sure that you are remaining competitive in the marketplace.
It wouldn't be a thanks for visiting video if we didn't give you some tips on how to really master strategies behind this simplified pricing. My favorite strategy is Airbnb gave us the opportunity to have 2 different cleaning fees. You can have a short stay cleaning fee and a long stay cleaning fee. And at first I was like, I can't discount my shorter stays. Like the cleaning team charges me what they charge me. They do a great job. They deserve every dollar. But then I flipped the script on that. Okay, what do they charge me? Like, what's my bottom line that I have to make sure I'm getting from the guest so that I don't have to have it come out of my pocket? That's gonna be my short stay cleaning fee. And I'm actually gonna pad it for when a guest stays longer. Because if a guest stays longer, you can divide that cleaning fee by more nights. It's less of a stress on the guest's bottom line, their budget. So really utilize the 2 cleaning fee features that Airbnb now gives us. Again, make your short stay fee, if that's the market you're in where you have 1 or 2 night stays, make that really competitive. Whatever your cleaning team charges you, charge the guest that. So it's like simply a pass through. And then pad it for the longer stays, maybe it's 3+ nights, 4+ nights. And that's where you'll make up in the end the fees if you wanna pad your cleaning a little bit. But again, you also have to stay really competitive. So if your strategy was to make money off the cleaning fee, you may need to rethink that. And let's go back to your pricing. Figure out what your cost per reservation is, right? How much do you really need for a 1-night stay to make it worth it for you? And then you can get more competitive with your pricing the longer a guest stays. And you just have to be dialed in. But as independent hosts, when we're not managing hundreds of properties, this should be really easy for you to do. The more competitive you are, you can still stay on top of your numbers, still get that return on investment that you're looking for on a monthly, quarterly, yearly base, and rank higher on the Airbnb algorithm.
So let's get excited. This simplified pricing with its transparency, hopefully more people want to use the Airbnb app. They know when they come to stay with you exactly what the price is going to be, so that reservation gets off on a really great foot.
And there might even be less awkward conversations about a guest trying to negotiate with you. They see up front you're within budget, what have you. We think this is a great thing, especially again For us smaller hosts who are, managing or owning less than 50 properties, we are hands-on. Let's get an edge over everyone else in this industry